ServiceTitan is typically used by larger HVAC companies because it combines scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and advanced reporting in one system, built for scaling service teams. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how ServiceTitan compares to FieldEdge in real HVAC workflows, and which one actually makes sense depending on your company size and how your techs operate in the field. ServiceTitan is usually chosen when a company has multiple trucks, multiple dispatchers, and needs tight control over job tracking and revenue visibility. It centralizes everything, from the first customer call to the final invoice, so office staff and field techs are always working from the same live data. FieldEdge is more commonly used by smaller HVAC businesses that want strong service management without the complexity of a full enterprise system. It focuses heavily on dispatching, service agreements, and keeping day-to-day operations simple for owners who still work in the field. Here's how they break down in real use. ServiceTitan is built around full operational control. That means you're tracking job costing, technician performance, and revenue per job in detail. It's designed for companies that want deep reporting and structured processes across every technician and every job. FieldEdge is built around speed and simplicity. Dispatching is straightforward, service calls are easy to assign, and techs can update job status without navigating complex menus. It's designed so smaller teams can stay efficient without needing dedicated office staff for every task. Now the practical difference. If your HVAC business is growing past a handful of technicians, and you need strong visibility into revenue, ServiceTitan is usually the stronger long-term system. It's heavier to implement, but it gives you more control over scaling operations. If your priority is staying lean, reducing admin work, and keeping scheduling simple, FieldEdge is often the better fit. It's easier to adopt and doesn't require as much operational restructuring. ServiceTitan gives you depth. FieldEdge gives you speed. That's the real trade-off. If you're choosing between them, start by asking how complex your operations already are. If you're managing multiple teams and high job volume, lean toward ServiceTitan. If you're still focused on staying efficient with a small crew, FieldEdge will feel more practical. Quick recap. ServiceTitan is built for scaling HVAC companies that need full operational control. FieldEdge is built for smaller teams that want simple, fast dispatching, and job management. The right choice depends on how complex your business already is, not just features on a list. Next step is simple. Map out how many technicians you manage daily and how much reporting detail you actually use. That usually makes the decision clear. If this helped you compare the two, like and subscribe for more software breakdowns like this.